Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, May 11th. Today's Zen story is titled The Unfinished Circle. As always, I'm going to read it to you and then we're going to do a short reflection around it. A wealthy noble stopped at a roadside stall, watching as an artist painting calligraphy on zinc. "I hear you're skilled," the noble said. "Paint me something worthy of my hall." The artist nodded and took up his brush. With a single stroke, he began to paint a perfect circle. His hand was steady, his ink dark and rich. But just before he completed the shape, he lifted his brush. The noble frowned. "But it's unfinished." The artist set the silk aside. "Is it?" The noble crossed his arms. "A circle must be closed." A cart rumbled past on the road, its wooden wheels spinning, its edge blurred in motion. The noble's gaze followed it. He turned back to the painting. The ink had dried. The gap remained. His fingers twitched as if wanting to finish it himself. The artist took a fresh piece of silk, dipped his brush, and began to draw another circle. Again, he did not finish. The wind stirred the silk. The noble said nothing. As always, take a moment to find a comfortable position and little by little arrive in stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. See if you can be here in this moment, just as it is. Thoughts may come, let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. When does completion becomes excess? A stroke too many, a word too much. When does the masterpiece vanish? When does completion become excess? A stroke too many, a word too much. When does the masterpiece vanish? What is missing? And is it truly absent? A gain in the ink, a pause in the music. Does emptiness complete the whole? What is missing? And is it truly absent? A gap in the ink, a pause in music. Does emptiness complete the whole? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. And for a practical moment of Zen, try leaving something unfinished today. Simply let it be. As always, I'm putting the reflections and suggestions for practical moments of Zen you can play with into our private circle group. And I really encourage you to check it out and try some of the ones that speak to you. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.